All right, y'all. So today I'm on a mission. My goal is to organize one of my kitchen cabinets. I need some good storage containers for my flour, sugar, all that kind of stuff. So first stop, Walmart. And they did not have what I needed at Walmart. So I left Walmart. Walmart was a no-go. They had some options, but nothing I really liked. I need different size storage containers since my cabinet shelves aren't all the same height. I have to make sure everything fits. So yeah. So I went to Target and I didn't get any footage of me inside of Target, but I went to Target, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and I didn't find anything I needed there either. So at this point, Amazon it is. So I found some good storage containers at Amazon. They had the different size variations I was looking for. So I ordered them on Amazon. They came in a couple of days. And so let's get to organizing. Okay, so yeah, I just want to pop back in and let you know that the containers came with 4 different size variations, which is perfect for my cabinets. I got 1 tall container, 4 large containers, 6 medium, and 4 small ones. Plus it came with labels and a marker to keep everything organized. And how much did I pay for this? I think it was like $21. Yeah, about $21 on Amazon. So I just wanted to let you know that. So just enjoy the video.